Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's close to my heart: finding peace in the midst of chaos. We all experience stress, anxiety, and overwhelm in our daily lives. It's a natural part of being human. But what if I told you that you have the power to transform those feelings in just 5 minutes? That's right. We're talking about quick and effective meditation techniques that you can incorporate into your day, no matter how busy you are. These techniques are designed to help you reduce stress instantly, find moments of calm, and cultivate a sense of inner peace that stays with you long after the meditation is over. Throughout this journey, I'll be sharing personal anecdotes, scientific insights, and practical tips to help you get the most out of each technique. So if you're ready to unlock the power of meditation and experience its transformative benefits, let's dive in. Meditation is a powerful tool for managing stress. Our minds are constantly bombarded with thoughts and worries. It's like having a million browser tabs open in our heads. Meditation is like hitting the pause button on all that mental noise. It's about creating a space to be present and observe your thoughts without judgment. Think of your mind as a turbulent ocean. Meditation helps you dive deep beneath the surface to find calm. Even a few minutes of practice each day can make a difference. Studies show meditation can rewire the brain, enhancing focus and compassion. It's like giving your brain a workout, cultivating inner peace. Whether stressed or anxious, meditation can be a lifeline. It's a journey of self-discovery and a gift you can give yourself daily. Now, let's explore some simple yet effective techniques you can start today. Let's start with one of the most fundamental and accessible techniques: deep breathing. It's something we do naturally, yet we often forget its power. When we're stressed, our breath becomes shallow and rapid, which signals to our body that we're in danger. Deep breathing helps to break this cycle. It's like sending a message to your nervous system that it's safe to relax and let go. So, how do we practice deep breathing? Find a comfortable seated position with your spine straight and your shoulders relaxed. You can also lie down if that feels better for you. Rest your hands gently on your lap or abdomen. Now, close your eyes if you feel comfortable doing so. As you inhale, imagine you're filling your lungs from the bottom up, like inflating a balloon. Inhale slowly and deeply through your nose, feeling your abdomen expand. Hold your breath for a moment at the top of the inhale. Notice the pause, the stillness. Then exhale slowly and gently through your mouth, feeling your abdomen contract. Imagine all the tension and stress leaving your body with each exhale. Repeat this cycle for 5 minutes, focusing your attention on the rhythm of your breath. As you breathe, you might notice thoughts arising in your mind. That's perfectly normal. Simply acknowledge them without judgment and gently guide your attention back to your breath. Deep breathing is a practice you can come back to anytime, anywhere. It's a simple yet powerful tool to calm your mind, ground yourself in the present moment, and reduce stress instantly. Now let's explore a technique that helps us connect with our physical sensations: the body scan meditation. This practice invites us to bring awareness to each part of our body, noticing any tension or discomfort and consciously releasing it. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Close your eyes if you feel comfortable. Bring your attention to your feet. Notice the sensations in your toes, the soles of your feet, your heels. Are your feet warm or cold? Can you feel the ground beneath them? As you breathe in, imagine sending a wave of relaxation down to your feet. As you breathe out, release any tension you might be holding there. Slowly move your attention up to your ankles, then your calves, noticing any sensations as you go. Continue moving your awareness up through your body, spending a few moments with each part: your knees, your thighs, your hips, your stomach, your chest, your back, your shoulders, your arms, your hands, your fingers, your neck, your face, and finally the top of your head. As you move through your body, be kind to yourself. If you notice any areas of tension or discomfort, don't judge yourself. Simply acknowledge the sensation and gently invite it to release. The body scan meditation is a wonderful way to cultivate greater body awareness, release physical tension, and promote a sense of deep relaxation. Our minds are incredibly powerful. They have the ability to transport us to different places and times, even if it's just in our imagination. And that's the beauty of guided imagery. This technique involves using our imagination to create a peaceful and relaxing scene in our minds. It's like taking a mini vacation for your mind without ever leaving your seat. Find a comfortable position and close your eyes. Take a few deep breaths, allowing yourself to relax more deeply with each exhale. Now, imagine yourself in a place where you feel completely at peace. It could be a beach, a forest, a mountaintop, or any other place that brings you a sense of calm and tranquility. As you visualize this place, engage all of your senses. What do you see? What do you hear? What do you smell? What do you feel? Picture yourself walking barefoot on the warm sand, feeling the sun on your skin and the gentle breeze in your hair. Listen to the soothing sound of waves crashing on the shore or birds chirping in the trees. Inhale the fresh, salty air or the sweet scent of pine needles. Allow yourself to become fully immersed in this peaceful environment. Spend a few minutes exploring this place in your mind, allowing yourself to relax and let go of any stress or worries. When you're ready, gently bring your attention back to the present moment. Open your eyes slowly and notice how you feel. Guided imagery is a powerful tool for reducing stress, promoting relaxation, and improving your overall well-being. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle of daily life. Our minds are constantly racing, rarely taking a moment to pause and simply be present. Mindfulness meditation helps us cultivate awareness of the present moment. Find a comfortable seated position and gently close your eyes. Bring your attention to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm of your inhale and exhale. With regular practice, mindfulness can reduce stress and cultivate peace. Throughout history, spiritual traditions have used mantras as a way to focus the mind, connect with a higher power, and promote inner peace. A mantra is simply a word or phrase that you repeat silently or aloud during meditation. The repetition of the mantra helps to quiet the mind and create a sense of inner stillness. It's like creating a mental anchor that you can return to whenever you feel yourself drifting away. Find a comfortable seated position and close your eyes. Choose a mantra that resonates with you. It could be a simple word like peace, love, or calm, or it could be a phrase that holds personal meaning for you. As you inhale, silently repeat the first half of your mantra. As you exhale, silently repeat the second half of your mantra. For example, if your mantra is peace, you would inhale and silently think peace, then exhale and silently think peace. Continue repeating your mantra for the duration of your meditation, allowing the sound and vibration of the words to fill your awareness. If your mind wanders, gently guide your attention back to your mantra. Don't judge yourself for getting distracted. Simply return to your mantra with a sense of kindness and compassion. Mantra meditation is a powerful practice for calming the mind, cultivating focus, and connecting with a sense of inner peace. Thanks for watching. If you found these techniques helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on living a stress-free life. Remember, meditation is a journey, not a destination. Start with just a few minutes each day and gradually increase your practice as you feel comfortable. Be patient with yourself and celebrate your progress along the way. The most important thing is to find a practice that resonates with you and make it a part of your daily routine. With consistency and dedication, you'll be amazed at the transformative power of meditation in your life.